Pues creo que encontramos un lugar interesante, así que vamos a ver. Pececitos, vamos por ustedes. Now I'm here with my friend Marian because we go to fishing, or I go to watching how to fishing. Because that is one of the things that I need to learn here in this country. And of course, that to fishing is something that the people must have in so many patience, calculated, throwing the bite, and then wait for the fish in the right place. That is something, of course, that I hope someday to learning in the right way. But for the moment, I let the professional to do that job. So now I am in a somewhere place here in Germany, Baviera, and so now my good friends that this is one of his few hobbies. He like to fishing. He like to looking for a treasure with metal detector and so many things. You know, he's a very special people like me. So now I continue watching what we can catch. Maybe a shoe or a can or something like. But the point is to be in a different place here in the direct contact with the mother nature. That is Braulio. And now we are in fishing time. See you around. Primera vez que escucho cuál es el sonido que hacen los cisnes. Yo pensaba que los cisnes no hacían sonido. Pero que dice la leyenda que el cisne hace un canto cuando se va a morir. El famoso canto del cisne. Pues estos están volando y cantando. Bueno. ¿Lo pueden oír? Qué curioso. Seguimos.